Morning. Wednesday finally. Hump day. I was getting all my stuff into the truck here. Y'all remember yesterday's load, that little auger wagon and that John Deere. But I was getting all my stuff out of the truck here and putting it in here. Let's go park the truck here and we'll be back. Stay tuned, we're gonna get on the road. Go moon up there, you can barely see it. It's gonna be a righteous day today, another hot one. You can see the flames coming up over here. Yeah. Anybody ever need John Deere tractor or any kind of equipment, holler. Let's get on the road here. Okay, finally got on the road here. We're 177 and 66. We'll go up there and hit 105 and head back west. Okay, got a fellow transporter here. This guy's old John Deere up on there. There she goes. Got the first assignment complete. We clean this deck up here. We'll get back up on the road. Okay, I'm on 33 headed west here. I just thought this was a pretty video here with these nice grain mills in the background and then some turbines out there. And we got all these fields. But yeah, it's coming into, I think Weatherford was back there. But we're about an hour out. Just cruising on down the road. Kick this tractor off next. It's 7250. Well, yeah, these trains, they bring in all these, this grain to these mills here. And then trucks come in and transport it on out to wherever it needs to go. That's a pretty good size one there. Wheeler Brothers Grain Company. Okay, out here in western Oklahoma. I'm about 45 minutes out from second drop. Nate, looky here at this. This is where they launch rockets at out here. Now they put a rocket on that and launch it. It's really cool at night. But no, just out here in the western plains of Oklahoma. Cruising along here. Okay, just getting here. Let's get her unboomed here and let the client get her backed off. It's pretty up here. You got these flat mesas and stuff. Okay, I got his 7250 here delivered to him. He was quite happy. Yeah, he's got another one over there. I didn't even pay attention. Yeah, it's sitting over there. But no, that thing looks good. Sure does. It's a nice tractor. The thing was heavy though. The thing was heavy. Okay, let's get this booger put back in. Got mountains over here on one side. Then over here we got wheat. Got a little wheat. We're about there. We're about an hour, 10 minutes out. Taking back roads. Welcome back. It's quite windy out there today. I'm in the bathroom here now. Down by Lawton, Medicine Park. It's called Lake Watonga, I believe. Watonga or something like that. But I'm gonna go outside. It's gonna be quite windy, so you might turn your volume down. So I want to tell you about it now. It's white capping. White capping. Okay, it's close I'm gonna get. Yeah, it's wide capping really bad. It's nice and green though. Yeah, I got some campers here and over here. Okay, we got to get on the road. It's supposed to be there around 2:30 or 3. I told him. Get loaded up. Stay tuned. We're about there. About 52 minutes out, I believe. Okay, made it here to what is it? Graham, right up here. Graham Auctioneers. Here in Bray, Oklahoma. Got that yellow Vermeer and this John Deere. I think that little green compactor there. Okay, we're pushing this Vermeer on there. Getting close. Whoa. That's pretty good there. Try to get this cold. Okay, he's got her picked up now. He's just gonna set her up on there nice and gentle. Sweet. That'll work. Got her all boomed down here. I think we're about ready to go. I gotta put a flag or something on this little deal here. But yeah, got everything boomed down. Stay tuned, headed to the house. Welcome back. Finally made it back to the yard here. Got everything here. That old Vermeer, John Deere, and then a cultipacker. Yeah. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching O'Brien Venture Outdoors and Hotshotting.